Adiós por la lluvia. Tin, tin, tin. Oye bien. Gracias a Dios por el sol. Quien hizo las estrellas. Ni tú ni yo, pues quién. Quien hizo el arco iris. Fue Dios con su poder. Bien. Si tienes Cristo a tu corazón y te dice déjame entrar. Si viene Cristo a tu corazón y te dice déjame entrar. Dile sí, 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 entra pronto en mí, que hay lugar para ti. Dile sí, 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 entra pronto en mí, que hay lugar para ti. Si viene el diablo a tu corazón y te dice déjame entrar. Si viene el diablo a tu corazón y te dice déjame entrar. Dile no, 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 Cristo vive en mí y no hay lugar para ti. Dile no, 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 Cristo vive en mí y no hay lugar para ti. Y todas mis culpas se fueron rodando, se fueron rodando, se fueron rodando. Y todas mis culpas se fueron rodando allá en la cruz por mí. Y pasa un río que apaga mi sed, que apaga mi sed, que apaga mi sed. Y pasa un río que apaga mi sed allá en la cruz por mí. Bien, pueden
Oh, I think it's ready. They're ready to eat, I think. Hey, where are we anyway? We're in Cabo San Lucas. Yes, Cabo San Lucas. And we're at an area, this lady right here, she has the goodness of her heart. She feeds these kids every day. And this is just the amount of kids today, but lots of times she has lots more kids. So we're out here, we've got some gifts for them. We went and, where'd we go? We went to Walmart, we got some balls for them, some soccer balls, and some other things. And there's a foundation out here, and they give money and food and help this woman, and all the people in there, they're volunteers. They volunteer their time to help feed these kids. They're right out here. We'll show you the other area. But this is in the outskirts of Cabo San Lucas. Yeah, this is not the Cabo most people are used to seeing. This is their Christmas tree all year round. And they even have a little garden here. They don't get very much water out here. All these people live out here the best they can in the conditions they can. And they have to pay for their water. That's what these containers are. It's very expensive out here, and they use this water. And the lady started a little garden out here with this water. And there's actually some watermelons. Here, let's go in here. There's some watermelons here even. And this place gets hot, you know. Hey, we're in May, but she's trying to grow a little garden out here. And the foundation gives them enough water. They fill up this tank with water. And they've got a little irrigation system out here. And they're going to try to plant some different things and see how well they grow out here. I mean, obviously, they still got some work to do out here, don't they? You know? But this is where the garden area is going to be. And this is the area the kids, they just sang these songs for us. We're out here, and look, we'll show you what's happening over here. Okay, there we go. This is all the stuff. We got bags of stuff. We went to Walmart, we went to different places. This stuff in here is going to give away to different places. This is one of our stops right here. They're all lined up because they want to get some gifts. And I think they got them some bubbles, some crayons, just some different things. And oh, those are stickers. They want stickers. Here's the different balls that we're going to give to them. Right here. It's amazing just what a little bit of things you can do for kids to gain a smile from them out here in Cabo. This could be anywhere. Anywhere in the country. And Mommy and I, that's Mommy right there. That's my baby. Our mission in life that we've gotten together, we want to give back. And this is our first little stop, and we're gonna make lots more videos of our travels and of different places. We're gonna be going to Fiji, and we're gonna do a little mission trip out there with a dentist friend of mine, and we'll show you that. We're gonna have a travel channel and volunteer channel. You know, you keep watching and we're going to show different things along the way. We'll show you more of Cabo, obviously. This is our first little stop. It'll be wherever you are, wherever you live, if you have enough time and energy to help someone, do it. Just by helping somebody more than you'll get a blessing out of it. I'm sure you will. And if you want to just follow along with our videos, that's what we want to do. We want to take videos and show you about our trips and show you how you can make a possible difference to the world you live in. You know? All right, let's get in there. Does that guy over there look familiar? He sort of looks like me, huh? That's because he's my bro, my big brother. And he put together a video, just a quick little video of some of their travels. They come to Cabo all the time, and they like to give back to the boys and girls and different families that they've known along the way. And this is one of the ways they do it. That's his wife over there, Lindy. And he put together a little video. Actually, it was just some pictures. It was stuck on YouTube, and just a little segment, 5 seconds worth, where they were giving this little kid, this little boy, hello, hola. And they gave this little boy a bicycle, and you should have seen his face. 5 seconds could change your life. Just watching somebody get something and have them have a smile on their face. This little kid who they gave the bike to, he'd always helped his brother or sister out, and nobody's ever given him anything. And you should have seen his face when he got that bike. That's the type of stuff hopefully I can bring to you on this channel on the different videos. So stick around. Ooh.
You're welcome.
Woo! All right. Baby, what are you doing?
We're
You're-
giving toys.
I see.
Toys.
Yes.
They are loving it.
Cool. They're getting ready to eat. What were they having? What were they preparing? Rice?
They've prepared rice and scrambled eggs, and I think they said it was jamon, which is ham.
Oh, okay.
For all these beautiful children, aren't they beautiful?
I know. Yes, they are. And this is our first stop. We're going somewhere else today
Yes.
too to hand out stuff. What does she say? To some different families.
I want to say a couple of other, 3 more stops.
Oh, okay. Yes, we're gonna stop at a few more places today and hand out some more toys and different things. I think we're going to I don't know, a hospital or to a senior center. I think tomorrow we're going to a senior center, and then a disabled center with kids in there that we're going to hand out some t-shirts and some different things. This is going to be fun. Mommy and I, we're here, we came out here and we're staying in Cabo for like a week. But today and tomorrow are probably going to be the best days of our trip just because we can make a difference to these kids.